standardized place for us to start experimenting. Okay, so we'll go over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to save the profile as EURUSD bar chart 1. And there we go. So we're all set there. We can pop back and see how these things work. Okay, there we go. That's a default. There's our euro dollar US dollar bar chart set up here. Okay, so you can go to any of the profiles that you like. Now here's a quick way to get to each of the profiles as well. You can go Control 5 to the next one, or you can hit Shift F5. Control F5, Shift F5. Move forward and backwards that way. This is how that would look. That's all I'm doing. Is hitting Control F5. Now to move backwards, I hit Shift F5 and move backwards. There we go. Okay. So this is where you are. You're ready. You're all set. If you wanted to do candlesticks of your 4 favorite currency pairs, you could do that as well. Again, you'd simply find your favorite currency pair over here, and drag it and drop it to any of the charts here. When you're in the mode of trading, you'll want to zoom into the chart that you'd like to focus on. For instance, say I've looked at my overview here, weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1 hour. And these time frames can change depending upon which particular type of trading system that you're using at the time. I like to look at longer term and work my way down, and I call that top-down trading, so that I can get a good idea of the prevailing trend here on the weekly, which, as we can see here in this particular case, is up. Then the daily trend is up. The 4-hour, we can see the trends there. We can see some movement in a consolidation here, and we see a finer example of that consolidation here. Okay, so then I would go to my smallest time frame chart and move it around, get some perspective. If I have a methodology in mind, then I will place the trades according to that particular methodology. And what I'm talking about is an actual predefined Forex trading system. If I'm trading via candlestick patterns and I'm doing things manually and I'm looking for certain patterns, then I open up this particular chart and look for some patterns that would lend themselves to a trade of some type. As I'm looking over here, I'll be seeing spinning tops develop over here as far as candlesticks are concerned, and thinking that we're at a point of some trend exhaustion in this particular area. Anyway, let me minimize that. Not to go into too many specifics, just wanting you to see how you can set your charts up. Okay. Now, if you've got a particular favorite type of indicator that you want to use, you can do that too. There are lots of different ways to do that as far as indicators are concerned. And what we'll do is, before we go there, what we'll do is scroll down, and there's indicators here. Say, for instance, you're a fan of moving average. There we go. Here's a moving average. This is